Welcome, dear meditator, dear friend, to a new guided meditation. Today, let's be focused on the present moment, not tomorrow, today. We will meditate on the concept of interconnectedness, and we will base this meditation on the wisdom of Marcus Aurelius, one of our favorite Stoic teachers here on the YouTube channel, and he was also the Emperor of Rome. So I hope that you enjoy this guided meditation. Remember that you can get our free meditation course if that's interesting to you. I'll link everything in the description below. And so let's get started on today's guided meditation. Let's begin by finding a comfortable and safe position, either seated on a cushion, on a chair, or on the floor. And yes, you can lie down for this meditation. Close your eyes and take a nice few deep breaths, inhaling through the nose and exhaling through the mouth. As you breathe, imagine the gentle touch of the universe upon your skin, the soft embrace of the cosmos. Remember, in the words of Marcus Aurelius, all things are woven together, and the common bond is sacred. I would like you to visualize a silken thread extending from your heart, shimmering in the ambient light of the universe. This thread extends outwards, connecting you to everything. And as you breathe in, imagine this thread pulling gentle energies from the universe into your heart. As you breathe out, imagine sending your love and energy back into the cosmos. What we do now echoes in eternity, Marcus Aurelius reminds us. Feel the vibrations of your thoughts, of your actions, and intentions ripple outwards, touching the vast corners of the universe. As you inhale, think of the trees giving you the gift of oxygen. As you exhale, think of the carbon dioxide you release, a gift back to the plants. Everything is in continuous loop of give and take and give again and take again. Marcus wrote, "We were born for cooperation as our feet, hands, eyelids, and the upper and lower jaws. Feel the connection to other beings on this planet, animals, plants, and fellow humans too. See your energies intertwining, creating a web of shared existence. Let go of any notion of separateness." As the Stoic philosopher believed, we are all part of a greater whole. Your joys and sorrows, successes and failures, they all contribute to the universe's internal dance. In this space of unity, recognize that you are never truly alone. Like a single cell in a vast body, you play an essential role in the symphony of existence. Now, gradually start to bring your attention back to your immediate surroundings. As you do, hold on to the feeling of interconnectedness and remember Marcus Aurelius' wisdom. What injures the hive injures the bee. Slowly wiggle your fingers and toes, bringing gentle movement back into the body. When you're ready, softly open your eyes. May this meditation inspire you to live with a heightened sense of interconnectedness and unity. Each time you feel isolated or separate, come back to this space and remember the profound wisdom of Marcus Aurelius, illuminating the intricate weave of existence. I hope you've enjoyed this guided meditation. If you have, please don't hesitate to share it with a friend or with a colleague or a family member, anybody that might need to be reminded that indeed we are not alone. We are connected to everything that is around us. Take care. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye. Thank you for being here, for meditating with us today. Try not to judge your meditation. Every meditation is different, as every day is different. It is important for your practice to be regular, so try meditating at least once per day. But also, don't meditate too much. Enjoy life. Appreciate small daily meditative moments. Take a walk, spend time with your loved ones, breathe. I hope you will sign up for the free Transcendent meditation course and to see you there. Also, if you would like to have daily meditations, you can sign up to become a Patreon member. I will leave the information about this in the description below this video as well. Lastly, and if you've not done so already, please subscribe to this channel and share these meditations with whoever you think can benefit from them. That's it for me today. Thank you so much again for being here. I appreciate you. I'm honored you have chosen to take this journey with me today and every day. And until next time, take care. Bye-bye.